Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, so I'm coming at you with this Valentine's Day tutorial that I decided to do. It is very simple, easy, but it's glam, honey. Okay, it is glam. And I did decide to do some more colored brows. I'm using a different method. Instead of eyeshadow, I decided to do liquid lipstick. So that's like a really red liquid lipstick, and since I have like burgundy colored hair, I'm doing this brown eyebrow pencil underneath and just put the red right on top, and it literally is the exact same color as my hair. I was shook. But yeah, so I decided to use my new Beauty Bakerie concealer. This is my second time using it, so I'm using a lighter shade than the one I did last time. And oh my gosh, like this is the most matte concealer I've ever used in my whole life. Like y'all, it was so matte. I don't even know, like I can't really describe it anything but like matte, creamy, and like snatched. Okay, had my brows looking snatched. It's so thick that I feel like you can use it as eyeshadow base. Anywho, I'm using this Norvina palette from Anastasia because I love the red in this palette. And I didn't just use that red, I used the red for my crease and the two burgundy shades in that palette as well. I use those on my lid to kind of darken the tone, deepen it up just a little bit because this red is really bright. And I did use a pink shade as like a transition shade up into my brow bone, and I actually really liked it. It was a little bit of a gradient effect because I feel like when you're blending reds and pinks, things can get kind of mixed and like looking really similar. So I just added some depth using the two burgundy shades in the palette. But yeah, so I'm just blending away. And y'all know I had to add my glitter. Okay, this is what makes this look pop so much, but it's really simple because it's just one shade of glitter, but it just pops so much. This is from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. Okay, go follow that on Instagram for more updates. It's launching on my 21st birthday. You see that glitter? This is in the shade Hottie. Okay, I'm dropping a name for y'all. This is in the shade Hottie. And of course, I use my clear duo lash glue to hold that glitter on. As you can see, there's barely any fallout. For everyone who's like, how do you not get it on your face? How do you like keep it off your lashes? And if you do have fallout, an easy trick to do is I like using a clean spoolie, and I'll just like swipe it on where the glitter has fallen on my face, and it comes off really easily. Or you could use a little piece of tape and just tap it on your face, and it'll come off easy as well. And y'all know I got my BeatsByDeb Cosmetic lashes in the style Thicc, okay, with 2 C's, okay, because these is it, honey. These is thick for sure, and they just, oh my god, you're gonna see in a minute. It's okay, go ahead, look at this application though. Lash application is up, honey. Look, go on my channel and watch that video because they own, okay? I didn't even do nothing after that. They just on there, like what? And I'm using my Insta Bake foundation again. Now this is a different shade. Like I said, last video was the first time I was using these foundations ever. So as I did like the shade when I initially put it on, it did lighten up just a tad, like 1 shade lighter as time went on. So I went 1 shade darker from the one I had, and this is literally, at first I'm like, it's a little off, but trust me when I tell you, it lightened up to my exact skin tone of my neck. I was like, oh my god, yes ma'am, this one is it. I was so geeked, and I'm just rubbing this in like, oh my god, yes honey, this was it. You can see how good it matched my forehead. Yo, I was excited, okay? But yes, so you gotta play around with foundations and stuff. Trust, I don't always choose the exact shade on my first try. And I did use that same concealer that I conceal my brows with on my face, and I'm using my Tati Beauty Blendiful as usual. And I wanted to try it with this thicker foundation and concealer, and it literally worked the exact same. I was like, bruh, I'm going to buy a few more of these because they're a necessity at this point. Like, it has to happen. But yeah, I did use the concealer, like light concealer and then one darker one to contour. Y'all know I love a really popping contour, you feel me? So I used this lighter one, blended that all the way around my face, and then just dotted a few darker dots just where my cheekbones are, just to deepen that up a little bit, make that pop a little bit more or whatever. And yeah, I actually, this look, I was just like, bruh, I don't want to take this off, okay? I just need to find somewhere to go, like what? And I did use my Beauty Bakerie setting powder, the flower setting powder, and I used a different shade. Last time I used translucent and it still turned out bomb, but I am going to use the shade Plantain this time. This is more of a yellow undertone to it, and I was like, okay, we're gonna try something different, you feel me? We're gonna try some things out. And I actually really liked the way this sat on my skin. It matched my undertone like perfectly. I loved it or whatever. And I like this powder because it is really finely milled, so it just comes off so easily. I use my Blendiful again to like press the powder like off my skin, press it in and off of my skin. So it actually did really good. I was impressed. I guess I just gave a bunch of reveals for BeatsByDeb Cosmetics today, okay? That is some of my lip topper, all handmade, all natural ingredients, and that's some of my glitter gloss. It is bomb, period, honey. I just added a little bit of that red lip topper in the center of my lips. It's very lightly pigmented gloss, and it usually just goes really good on top of like your favorite lip combo, but I decided to just put it in the center of my lip and add some clear on top, and I like that little effect, you feel me? And I'm just adding my setting spray. This highlighter, you already know I've been feeling it. It's the Fenty Beauty one. I told y'all it's like not a highlighter, but it is at the same time. It's like specifically for flash photography, in my opinion, because it's kind of like just speckles of like glitter. So it looks more like, I don't know, like less harsh, I guess, until this, okay? Like, do you see that sparkling off of my skin? Like, oh my lord, are you blinded? I hope you are, because that was the goal, okay? I cannot. Anyways, I decided to do this talking through the entire dang on video because my last one, I said how everyone was like commenting, girl, shut up, like you talk too much, which honestly I totally understand. But I'm the type of person that if I don't like them talking so much in the video, girl, I'm gonna mute it. Like, girl, I don't care, I'm gonna watch the video regardless. But it's cool, you feel me? Everybody got their opinion, that's perfectly fine. But guess what, I like to talk to y'all because I feel like we're sitting in the room together, you feel me? And I just get excited when talking about makeup. But it's all cool, it's all love. I love y'all so much. Let me know your opinions. Let me, tell me to shut up if you ain't like to talk, and it's cool. I appreciate all feedback. I love y'all so much, and I hope to see y'all in my next video or whatever. Let me know how y'all feel about this look, because at this point I just felt like I needed to go out, like I had a date or something, when I really didn't have nowhere to go. But it's cool because mama, I was killing it at my crib taking these videos, okay? Go ahead then. Oh my god, sometimes I just impress myself. Like, this was so simple and cute. Trust me, sis, you can do it too. Don't think because I ain't put that much effort into it. It's just bomb. Like, glitter makes everything bomb, and these huge lashes make everything better. Like, come on, burgundy brows, come on, hair, what? Come on. You gotta geek yourself sometimes, girl. If nobody else will, do it yourself. Anyway, I love y'all so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.